And everyone, welcome to another Tuesday of sharing our real estate blog about tonight topic pag-usapan natin yung how to build, systemize and scale your real estate business, no? So, ito yung mga para sa mga broker na gusto mag-scale up into realty office, okay? So, tonight pag-usapan natin yung si broker A wanted to set up a realty office. So ano yung mga dapat kumbaga guidance, no? So based on our experience, so I'm going to share tonight yung mga tips lang, no, para mag-guide naman, or kung yung mga existing broker naman na may realty office na, paano sila mag-pivot to correct yung mga challenges na na-encounter natin sa running our businesses, no? But I've been in real estate business for 18 years. So 17 years I set up and run my realty office. So medyo naranasan na rin natin yung nasa itaas tayo or nasa baba tayo, especially during crisis. So few questions lang. Why most real estate business stay small? Marami akong nakitang mga realty na hindi ko lang i-mention yung name na nasa itaas sila noon, latter part biglang bumaba, biglang naging solo broker na lang, no? So may mga challenges kasi. Sabi ko nga palagi kong sinasabi na sa real estate business, walang forever sa salesperson. Yung mga salesperson natin, just like mga anak natin, hindi natin makontrol na sooner or later, they will start their own family and build their own career. So ang salesperson natin, isipin na lang natin na parang anak din natin sila na sooner or later, they want career growth. And they soon become broker, and they wanted to set up their own realty also, their own family, no? So pag ano lang dito, no, konting ano lang to, many broker and agents work very hard but after 5 to 10 years, still chasing leads manually, answering repetitive inquiry, relying only on referrals, kumbaga masyadong manual. These are mga ano, kasi dati puro ganito, no, manual. So ngayon pag-usapan natin yung ano yung mga changes lalo na brought by pandemic kung saan nag-pivot ang realty office. It helps minimize the operational cost but bumaba yung operational cost but tumaas naman yung revenue model. So yan ang i-share natin tonight. So in most business, yung pag nagpatakbo ka ng realty office, halimbawa, then pag wala kang magandang system, para kang ano ba na, nandyan yung opisina mo. Pero pag if you remove yourself, your realty office sarado, walang kita. So uh, it's just like parang self-employed ka pa rin. So kung nasa cash flow model tayo, employment, self-employed, business owner, investor. Yung doktor, kumita siya pagbukas yung clinic niya o nag-report siya sa hospital. Pero pag nag-remove yung sarili niya kasi nagbakasyon siya, walang kita. Pero yung isang doktor, nagpatakbo siya ng negosyo na may business system. Kahit na nagbakasyon siya sa Europe, tumatakbo bukas yung clinic niya, yung skin clinic niya or dental clinic niya kasi nagpatakbo siya ng sariling negosyo, may mga tauhan siya, may mga associate doctor siya. O yung lawyer, may law firm siya, may mga associate lawyer siya. So ang point natin dito, from solo broker to setting up our own realty office, dapat may system tayo. Kasi pag walang system, pag umalis tayo, magbakasyon tayo, chaos ang labas ng negosyo natin. So the common problem kasi are no centralized listing system. So yung broker ang nagiging parang call center. Left and right tawag yung mga salesperson, broker, ano ba yung update dito sa project A? Broker, ano ba yung mga ano dito sa project B? So si broker tuloy parang call center, no? Lead scattered. Kahit saan-saan na lang, no? No CRM or follow-up system, iba-iba. So, these are, kung titignan mo, kulang ng system ang pinag-usapan natin dito, no? But no automation, no standard onboarding, no lead tracking, no business, etc. So, the common problem, broker keep themselves busy kasi nagbebenta pa rin sila. Hardworking, experienced, but still trapped in what? Bottom line, manual operation. That's the key word tonight. Manual operation. So how can we slowly change the manual operation into automation as possible using automation system, no? So tonight I'm gonna share you 5 foundations of a scalable realty office business. Number 1 is business structure. You must build a proper business entity, your own branding, your professional credibility, organized operation, digital presence, because serious client trust serious system. So when you talk about proper business entity, if you plan to set up your own, dapat tanungin mo sarili mo with the advice of your accountant, is single proprietorship or general professional partnership or corporation. Kasi sa tatlong ito, iba-iba ang approach pagdating sa taxation. So, highly recommended being in the professional, we are in the service industry like lawyer and accountants, highly recommended yung GPP, General Professional Partnership, because I'm not sure if I got the right term. It's not subject to final tax, kaya walang withholding yung commission natin from developer to realty. And then realty to agent, tsaka na tayo nag-withhold as a withholding agent, yung realty na. Because under the single proprietorship tsaka corporation, there is a withholding from our commission developer to realty. And then, paglabas naman natin sharing to realty to agents, mag-withhold ulit, no? So, for more information about the business entity and the tax component, I highly refer you to your licensed accountant to help you strategize that one. Branding. Nowadays, very important as a negosyo, branding. So, lahat naman tayo, may kanya-kanya tayong sariling gustong pangalan, no? So, please come up with your strong brand name, which you can have more consistency. I'm not good in branding personally, no? I will accept that one. But sabi ko nga lang, kailangan yan. Personal credibility. Okay. Oh, sorry lang. Hold on lang, mayroong... Pay, paki-traffic lang yung papasok, no? Please mute everybody pag pumasok. Okay. So, foundation number 2, lead generation system. Okay, yung number 1 ha, business structure. Number 2, lead generation system. So, sa lead generation system mo, ano ba kailangang sistema gagawin? Na kahit tulog ka, kahit nasa meeting ka or in your travel, palaging pumapasok yung lead sa negosyo mo. So, you need to either your system is more on digital, website-based, or social media-based. So that would be another topic. I highly recommend na you need to sit down it with your marketing team or with some expert in the industry to help design your lead generation system. Kasi ang common lead generation ginagawa ngayon is Facebook, which most of us are using this one, no? I think wala pa naman tumalo sa Facebook. TikTok, YouTube, Google, landing page. Kaniyang yung Facebook tsaka yung website pinagsama-sama yan, depende sa when you do your meta ads, depende sa engagement purpose mo to go into traffic, bring the traffic to your website, which is highly recommended mamaya. By the way, we have a demo later on para mas maintindihan nyo. So foundation number 3 is how to create systemized follow-up. Kasi basic marketing leads generation. Nandun na yung leads, weak naman tayo sa follow-up. For what reason weak tayo sa follow-up? Kasi kulang tayo sa CRM. Ano yung CRM? Customer Relation Management that will help us remind, funnel yung leads, prospect to leads, to engagement, ano na, saan na tayo, hot or cold, or ilang follow-up natin, no? So very important yung to create your system of follow-up. So mayroong mga software dyan na CRM na binabayaran monthly, meron ding free, but the basic one, I'll show you later also. Now, once you have a realty firm, syempre, nag-alaga ka ng mga salespeople or your associate broker. So, what's your program? What's your system of recruitment, orientation, or onboarding, lahat, no? So what's in it for me as a salesperson, why I will join your realty? Kasi kung you're just an average broker, puro manual tayo, we are not become very competitive sa industry ngayon. Lalo na ngayon na ang marketing or majority 90% done is online, via online, because buyer search property online. So kung hindi tayo makisabay, tayo yung talo, no? So very important yung online natin system. So we need to provide, and ano yan, pag-usapan natin mamaya more. So next is yung automation and scaling up. Syempre, we wanted to scale up. Okay, from solo broker, we wanted to scale up into realty office. From realty office, we wanted to scale up from small size to mid size to bigger size with more numbers of salespeople under us as an associate broker or associate agents, no? So you need to have an automation in terms of managing your people, in monitoring your income, your collection, and your releasing, and your marketing, especially the marketing support of your team, because sales is the bloodline of our realty office, and you don't want to do manual, especially on the marketing. Kailangan ng mga salespeople mo yung real time, as much possible, 24/7 support system on the information of the properties they are selling, from projects, from developer, from general brokerage, from rental leasing. So, by the way, I'm just mentioning it because I'm gonna show it later. Mas maintindihan nyo during the demo. So, why digital infrastructure matter nowadays? The modern broker needs digital structure. Before, we're selling like tarpaulin, referral, walk-in, flyering. But nowadays, we're using landing pages, CRM, the one I mentioned, yung to monitor your leads, listing system, how to manage your listing na real-time your people can access, capturing the leads and enroll it to your CRM, and thus automation, online branding, digital presentation. So we'll discuss all this. In today's market, your digital system is your office. Yes, kailangan ng office. But very important ngayon, it's not the real office. It's the digital office. Kasi if you don't have internet presence nowadays, malaking part sa marketing mo ang nawala, because buyers search online. So if they search and you don't have presence online, talo ka. Social media is there, pero iba yung may professional website ka, may professional brand and presence, no? Very, very important. So we discuss that one by one. So dito pumapasok yung MLS namin na SaaS, no? So we designed this program because when we've been in the industry for 18 years, nakita namin yung generation to generation to generation of realty office na on their peak, biglang nawala, lumiit ng paliit, no? So, nandoon yung mga 1960s na broker, nagtayo with more than 10 realty offices. But on the latter part, nawala yung mga salespersons, yung iba nag-break away, nagtayo ng second generation ng mga realty office. And this later on, yung mga ahente ng realty office, nagtayo naman, yung mga ahente naman nila, nag-break away, nagtayo ng iba. So, paganon lang ng paganon, no? So, if you ask any of your organization, malalaman nyo yung mga story ng mga brokers, been in the practice for years, na paganon lang yung buhay ng realty office. So, in our PHMLS, we focus also to create a system to attract retention, to attract recruitment, tsaka to hold also retention of your salespeople. Para hindi yung basta-basta na lang alis, iwas alis, no? You need to be competitive in your value-added service to your salespeople. So what this PHMLS can offer to you, imagine, as I mentioned, you need to have a digital footprint. So to have a digital footprint, social media is not enough. You need to have a website. Either you go to website, there are a lot of free website, ikaw ang gagawa, sulat, but not easy kasi magbebenta ka pa, magmamanage ka pa. Or you hire an IT company or an independent programmer to do it for a cost of 50 to 100,000 or more if it's more advanced. And then, common problem is biglang nag-migrate, nakapagtrabaho, nawala yung programmer mo, so stop growth yung website mo. Kasi website, it's kind of parang kailangan din ng regular maintenance ng IT. Kasi yung algorithm, yung what's constant in the IT world is changes. Ang bilis ng changes. We need to cope up every now and then. So what we design here is based on is to provide a plug and play. We are not selling you the program. We're just leasing you the program for your personal consumption sa negosyo nyo. So, your own brand, your own operation, we're just behind the scene as your IT company to provide you what? To provide you your real estate website, to provide you your listing system, to provide you your landing pages, connect to your landing website, to provide you with your lead capturing, to connect with your CRM, to provide you broker branding. Of course, that branding broker came from you. You need to come up your own company name or brand name or trademark. So this digital office is open 24/7. Kahit tulog ka, kahit nag-travel ka, and you can upload and edit 24/7, anytime, anywhere, as long meron tayong internet connection, no? And then it's scalable from 20 salesperson to 40 to 60 to 100. It's more and more, okay? So without building from scratch, meaning we can upload your website, your realty office within 1 week plus minus. It depends on the system, no? Kasi technical part yan, no? Basta pinakamatagal siguro mga 2 weeks. Basta realty office. So this is a package of 21 website, one principal website for your XYG Realty, 20 subdomain website for your salesperson. Then you can increase to 40 subdomain, 60 subdomain. So what is PHMLS? It's designed to help broker systemize and scale up, not just for the listing, because this is again to build up your digital real estate business system. So how this platform help you? Digital presence. You can have your personal branding landing page. Aguro Realty, ROI, MLS, or name your own realty, company brand, developer reader presentation given, professional credibility online, because you can edit your own write-up, how you want to profile yourself, your bio data, your about us. Listing management system, very important. So you can, para hindi ka magiging call center na palaging tinatawagan ng mga ahente mo kung ano yung project ni SMDC, etc., etc. Pagkatapos, let us say, every Monday yung PKS mo sa mga developer. After PKS, Tuesday, yung sabihin mo sa IT mo or sa secretary mo na the PKS must be uploaded in our system a day after. So, gawa ka lang ng template, turuan mo yung secretary mo. So, the moment it's uploaded in your principal website, it's automatically downloaded to the 20 subdomain website used by your agents, by your salespeople. So, if you uploaded, sabihin natin 10 developer with 5 project each, so that would be 50 project selling inventory. One system, one principal website lang ang pinag-uploadan. In real time, it would be distributed to the 20 subdomain website ready for marketed by your salespeople with using their own brand, their own name. Example, XYG Realty. And then, may agent kasi Pedro. Sabihin natin, Pedro.xyg Realty. Peter.xyg Realty. Juan.xyg Realty. So, lahat sila prefix, but it's your brand name, bit-bit nila. So it help provide value-added service for your salespeople to connect with your realty kasi may sarili silang website that they can share to their client, that they can access 24/7. And it's organized, no? Nandoon yung, when you open, nandoon yung project, location, developer, project details, price range, payment terms, etc., etc. I'll show you later the demo, no? Leads generation system. So the moment leads come into their website, instead you subscribing another CRM application, we already incorporated in our website the CRM, the basic CRM. But what's important, it's functional. Then if you want to scale up, then that's the time you subscribe the advanced CRM. But hindi mo pa nga ginamit yung basic, then nag-advance ka na, di ba? Parang useless naman, no? You're buying a very, very high-end mobile phone worth 80 to 100,000. But yung gamit mo, very basic, tawag lang, what's YouTube, chat messenger, and Facebook. You don't need all those very, very base advanced, no? So the same thing with CRM. Marketing support, as I mentioned to you, since this is your personal brand website, which we purchase in GoDaddy with your own choice of the name, so it is marketable online. It can be shareable. It can be SEO and SEM. So this is an advanced website promotions, no? There's advanced training for that. But what's important here, it rank. Pag may search, makikita ang website mo. Yes, may bayad yan. SEO, SEM, you need an IT guy to do market on your website in the Google or your social media and other to rank. But again, kailangan mo ng website like this website for all of those if you want to level up, not just social media, no? Para mag-search online Google, nandun ka. Okay? Scalable operation. It's help the team organize. So, pag si ahente, nandoon yung support, pag onboarding mo, sabihin mo, for the marketing support, you have your own website. Pag nag-type ka lang ng project Aboit Islam, lalabas na yung albums ng mga Aboit Islam. Pag nag-type ka ng DECA, lalabas na yung album projects ng DECA. So, it's easy for you to capture and share to your client or buyer the link, the information. So easy for collaboration and management, no? Then ngayon, if you want to grow, you add by 20. So you can add 20, 40, 60. It's so easy, no? At kahit 100 pa yung subdomain mo, isang system lang, principal website lang ang minamanage ng secretary mo, and it helps grow the whole network of your salespeople. Now, kung aalis si Agent A, magse-second thought siya kasi pag umalis siya, hindi niya bit-bit yung website because that is your brand. So the moment alis siya, terminated naman yung website. Pwede mong ilipat sa another agent mo yung account. So back to manual sila, back to basic sila. So not everybody is given like this opportunity kasi mahirap magbenta kung wala kang real-time na information of the project. So ano yung mga information? So if you're realty, you wanted your agents to sell, focus only on project selling. So it's your choice. You have all the 100% control. If you want, they include rental leasing. So you can upload also. If you want, you can include in their marketing the resale market, the brokerage, you can. Or if you want also to include the bank asset, foreclosed asset, ROPA, no? You can. So meaning you as the principal broker, you have the control to share it to them or not to share it to them. So PHML is not just a website. It is designed to become your digital brokerage infrastructure, yung system mo para sa realty mo. It helps you broker to scale faster, operate smarter and faster, market professionally with your own brand, your own carryover to all your salesperson, systemize your operation kasi control mo yung pwede or not pwede, build long-term business value to your organization, and easy for them to market, share it to their network of prospect buyers and leads. Now, on the next part, I'm going to show you the demo para mas maintindihan natin, no? So again, to end, the future belongs to brokers who combine real estate plus system and technology. Kahit super galing ka pa na broker, pag wala kang sistema, stress, ang sakit sa ulo. Pagod, sakit sa ulo, no? The moment there is what we call certain threshold na kaya mong i-manage yung realty office growth mo manually. Pero pag lumaki na yan, nako, sorry. Chaos ang labas. So you become a victim of your own success. Now, technology come in. The system and the technology come in. Lalo na with the pandemic, it become a game changer. Dati, hindi tayo uso mag-purchase online. But nowadays, halos weekly, we are purchasing online. Walang exemption. Karamihan, 90+% of the buyers bago uuwi dito, they're searching online. Kahit local buyers, they're searching online for comparative. So, if you don't have internet presence, maiiwan ka. So, again, if you want to become futuristic broker, position yourself for the next 5 years of your business, 10 years of your business, as soon as possible, on board, create your own website. Social media is a social media. Website is different. That is your brand. That is your business. That is your internet that is your online office representing who you are. Okay? You can put your brand, your achievement, your blog, your article about and other services and your real estate portfolio. Kung ano yung mga minamarket mo, binibenta mo. So everything is there. That represent who you are. So before I go to demo, I have 2 more slides to remind you. Ang pinag-usapan natin now is for the broker planning to scale up to open your own realty office or yung mga may existing realty office na doing still manual, how you want to scale up using the digital platform, especially the MLS platform. By the way, yung pinag-usapan natin na MLS platform, if you want to subscribe that one for the Realty Office, yung 21 website and scalable, it's only 3,000 per month. No? Again, it's only 3,000 per month. If you want a demo for that, just message us your name, yes, slash demo. Again, your name slash demo. My secretary Faye will help you come up with a pre-registration form and she will coordinate with you for actual demo. Okay? And next Tuesday, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga solo broker, yung ayaw muna mag-set up ng realty. Let's say, Carol, ayaw muna niya mag-set up ng realty. Gusto niya yung home office lang siya. Pero as a home office, as a solo broker, how can you network? Ayaw mo mag-recruit ng mga salesperson kasi independent broker ang pinili mo. Again, we created a program na independent broker ka, but you can network with 10, 20, 50, 100 plus real estate broker, all licensed real estate broker nationwide. And you can create real-time 24/7 exchange of listing nationwide. So you don't need to go to Luzon or to Mindanao to meet up your client, or you don't need to recruit salesperson in Luzon or Mindanao to scale up your business, because the moment you onboard, automatically scale up, because you will automatically co-broker with other subscriber and certified licensed broker. So if you want to know more how solo brokers scale up into networking broker using our MLS platform, next Tuesday, 7 p.m. pa rin ang event natin. No? So join us again next Tuesday. So last Tuesday of the month naman, negosyo tayo, cash flow, usapang negosyo. Paano ba si Sir Ronnie makapag-accumulate ng more rental properties? Maybe in 10 years, magkaroon siya ng 3 or 5 rental properties. No? So, how to start from 1, become 2. From 2, become 4. From 4, become 8 rental property. Using what method? The beer method masterclass. What is that beer method? It's the buy, renovate, rent, refinance, repeat. So you buy another property, you renovate, you rent it out, have it refinance, and repeat the process. So if you're interested to join this masterclass cash flow business, that would be on May 26, last Tuesday of the month, 7 p.m. So early bird, I think meron pa, for 99, and the regular rate is 999. So just contact us, DM beer method if you're interested to join, and that's avail for the early bird. Okay, so allow me to change the for demo, sharing you now the website. Stop share. Okay, nandito. Okay, so this is example of our MLS website. This is a platform, pre-program, but we can change the logo, the profile, the text, the contact number, everything. We can change the content, no? So how this work? Let us say this is realty natin, no? And we have also this one MLS, or we also have, I think kay Sir Ronnie is Agoro Realty. Try ko nga. Tama ba ako? Agoro. Agoro Realty ba yun, Faye? Okay, tama, Agoro Realty. Okay, ayan. So one of our subscribers, si Ronnie, uh, in just 3,000 a month, magkakaroon ka ng website mo and then your own logo, your contact, and then this website can be uh, duplicated to another 20 subdomain website. Let's say Agent 1, Aguro Realty, Pedro.Aguro Realty, Agent 1, Aguro Realty. So what is important here, highlight ko lang si Ronnie para ma-maximize mo rin, no? Kasi number one, hindi natin memorize yung mga project. Pati tayo broker sa dami ng project. So pinapa-upload natin dito sa stop natin, let's say lahat ng project ni Sibulan Master. North Grove by Sibulan Master Bakayan, Mantra Residence by Sibulan Master Mandaue, Mibila by Residence Sibulan Master. So ito yung mga Sibulan Master na nakapag-PKS na kami. So as mandated after PKS, a day after must be uploaded in our website para the agent, pag nagtanong sila, they just simply type lang nila, no? Sabihin natin, Sibulan Master, search, then lalabas sa album, lahat yung may keyword Sibulan Master. So, hindi na yung tatawag pa sa iyo yung agent mo na ano yung nasa Bakayan, ano yung nasa Lahog, anong update. So, they will just click one of this one example, Bakayan. So, nandiyan na yung information. So, ito namang information dito, it is all at your control as broker. How you format the details, discarding mo to with the help of AI or with the help of the developer, yung information na binigay. What's important lang naman dito, karamihan is the project name, the developer, the location, the description or details of the project, ano yung binibenta, ano yung mga sizes, ano yung amenities, if it's friendly or not, the turnover, price range, reservation, the monthly equity, financing options, and then contact, message us. Kasi yung message, lalabas na dito yan, message, magmi-message sa right side. Dito naman, you can upload photo as many, pero wag naman masyadong 20, 30. Siguro mga 8 to 12 photos. So, it is pwede nang gamitin ng ahente. So, i-double click natin yan. Ayan. It's nice for presentation na ng ahente, di ba? So, about North Group. So, let's check another property sample. Sorry, ha. Sibulan Master Mandaue. Yung details. And then, double click. Yan. Pwede din isama mo yung sample computation. So, your secretary can edit this kahit every other month. Mag-update lang sila. So, happy si agent kasi automatic yung website nila updated also. So, hindi na yung tatawag pa sa hingi ka ng details, hingi ka ng sample computation. You can even include the inventory, the price list, and everything. Huwag mo lang isama yung contact number ng developer. Okay? Now, for marketing purpose, I give you example. Let's say si agent ngayon, nag-click siya isa nito. Pwede niyang gawin, copy the URL. Again ha, ulitin ko lang. Copy-paste the URL. Sarado ko lang muna itong iba. Copy-paste the URL. Then you can go to your Facebook. You can paste the URL, enter. So lalabas na yung North Grove. Let's say, lagyan mo ng write-ups. Sabihin natin, for demo purpose, let's say ito, ganyan lang. Or you can change also using AI or ChatGPT, hingi ka ng tulong what to write up, no? Then, next, i-post mo na para makita natin how it works. Let's wait. Okay, ayan. Di ba? Lumabas na. So now, if you are posting, kung naggamit ka ng social media, Facebook for boasting, instead of putting only the photos and the description, the buyer will click only the photo. Pag ayaw niya, wala na. Because dinala mo si buyer hanggang social media lang, hanggang Facebook lang. Ang ginawa kasi natin here is, again, as I always mentioned before, this is Ronnie, this is your hub. This is, kumbaga, parang spider web. Ikaw yung nasa gitna, yung spider nasa gitna. Pero yung web niya, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, or North, South, East, West, di ba, nakaikot. And then, pag may nahuli trap sa North, sa South, sa East, sa West, dadalhin papuntang gitna. Just like octopus, 8 ang kamay. Pag may nahuli, dalhin sa gitna. Bam. So tayo dito, from your website, pwede mong i-email sa kliyente mo. Let's say mag-email ako, sample. Yung link kanina, di ba? Ulitin ko yung link ha. Copy-paste. Email ko sa kliyente ko. Sabihin ko na, please click here for more info. Wrong spelling pa. Okay, sample lang naman to. Di ba? Okay, subject. Email ko na lang sa sarili ko para mas mabilis. Ayan. So point here is, using your website, kuha ka ng subject property. Sabihin ko pati itong Urban Deca. Okay, copy-paste. Kasama ko dito Urban Deca sa baba naman. Urban Deca. Deca. This is Sibulan Master. Para may idea lang tayo. Okay, please click here. Send ko na. So meaning, you're sending information to your buyer. Instead na mag-cut and paste ka pa, madali, buksan mo lang yung property, subject, copy-paste dito sa email. So when you send it to your client, send ko ha. Mamaya, balikan natin yan. Ayan. Lalabas yan dito. Ayan. Lumabas na, di ba? So when your client browse that one, when they click ko ha. So saan dadalhin? Nag-pop up ang website. So from email to website, from social media to website, from LinkedIn to website, from Viber to WhatsApp, from WhatsApp to website, from Messenger to website. So meaning, this is your website. You share it to all social media. Meta, Instagram, LinkedIn, to Viber, WhatsApp, Messenger, lahat-lahat. When they click, your website will pop up. Dalhin mo yung leads, yung buyer sa website mo. Why? Because pag pumasok na yung buyer mo sa website ni Ronnie, kulong na si buyer. Kasi, nandyan, kahit mamili pa si buyer ng ibang suggested property sa baba, still, that website kay Ronnie pa rin ang contact person. Kahit mamili siya ng iba, that website still Ronnie. So meaning, nakulong na. And then, pag ayaw niya doon, sa baba, nandun pa yung suggested other alternative na pwedeng mamili si buyer. But the good thing here, gumastos ka na lang ng 300 per day, 500 per day for the ads. Why limit it at static hanggang Meta if you can bring that ads, your buyer, towards your website? If you email it towards your website, if you messenger it, landed to your website. Okay? So that's our game. Allow me to share, di ba nakita nyo na ito kanina. I'll show you how I work also. I give you example of how I email a client. Okay? Sample lang to. Ayan. This is actual ha. Hi, Miss Cybele Elaine. Good day and thank you for your inquiry regarding Urban Deca Homes Mandaue. We are happy to know that you're exploring your future homes and based on the, again, sa baba, I'm endorsing yung kliyente sa assigned project specialist ko. So write up. Okay? Nandyan. Nasaan ba yung link ko dito ha? Oh, no, not this one, sorry. Oh, yung may link ako. Ito pala, sorry. So, sa baba, for your, sorry ha, kasulat dito, for your reference, you may also check the available DECA project. So, instead mag-copy-paste pa ako, ang dami pang attachment sa baba, wala na. So, pag click ni yung Vanilla DECA, click. Ayan, nag-pop up yung website. So, ayan yung Vanilla DECA. Nandiyan na yung presentation, details, unit features, amenities, price range, flexible payment terms, value, why invest. Diba? Then sa photo, if you double click, it's presentation na ng buyer. Di na siya magbubukas na download, bukas. Imagine magda-download pa siya, etc. Hirap din, di ba? Even as we experienced downloading. And pag mahina yung wifi niya or data niya, hindi pa niya ma-download here, diretso. Diba? Nandyan pa yung sample computation you can attach. So, let's go to Deca Tipolo. Click natin. Ayan. Automatic. The website about Deca Tipolo will pop up. Nandyan yung details sa baba. Dito sa itaas, nandyan naman yung photo. So magaan sa website kasi hindi na kailangan i-download and it's easy na diretso. Sample computation, payment inventory, tsaka ano. So, okay. Close ko muna to. I'll give you another sample. Kasi it's not easy to copy-paste. Kapati kayo, mahirapan kayo. Every now and then you do just to send, to send to your client. Meron akong isa dito ha. Ito. Imagine, this naman among sagana. So I made a reply to Mr. Ong. Na-write up ako. Instead downloading daming photos, daming etc. among sagana. May lot only package, may house and lot package. So ginawa ko dito, pina-advise ko lang siya. Click the residential lot package. Click niya, lalabas na. Ayan. So nandyan na yung residential lot package. Presentation, developer, yung mga amenities, yung sizes, yung price range, yung payment terms or down payment. And then, pag nag-click siya sa photo, it's easy. Diba? The price list, payment terms, kasama na. So, ngayon, yung house and lot package, click naman siya dito, lalabas yung website kung saan mo pinasok naman yung house and lot package. Nandun na yung mga model. Kasi ito naman, one time lang naman tinabaho ng secretary mo, it will be shared to all your agents for their personal use. So when they click that one, I'm giving you a system that it would be easy for your realty office to support the marketing of your salespeople. You need to provide them the tools. Here, it's a plug and play tools. For a 3,000 per month, you get a 21 website ready to use. Of course, hindi kasama dyan na you need to buy the domain name from GoDaddy. Yung license sa GoDaddy tsaka domain name. It will cost you around initial 5,000 more or less. Depende sa brand name mo. Kasi pag sikat yung brand name mo, mahal. Wala akong magawa, no? O baka gusto mo .ph instead .com, mas mahal ang .ph. And then, we charge one-time setup fee kasi it needs number of days to set up from GoDaddy to transition to our system. So one-time setup fee na 5,000. After that, the monthly is only 3,000. So parang ganito yon. Parang bumili ka ng DTI name mo or SEC name mo hanggang ma-approve ka ni DTI or SEC. Parang bumili ka kay GoDaddy hanggang ma-approve yung domain name mo. And then, bumili ka ng license sa LGU para may license ka to run your domain name. And then, nagbayad ka ng setup fee 5,000. Di ba? Pag nagtayo ka ng opisina, mag-renovate ka, one-time setup fee sa office mo. And pagkatapos yung monthly mo na rental, utilities, salaries, dito, yun yung 3,000 mo per month. So sa amin is only the 3,000 per month. So yan. Nandyan na yan. So, again, ang point of view dito is I'm just helping you to parang gumaan yung trabaho mo as a broker who owns your realty business. Kasi as an broker, di ba, either solo broker ka or you want a business, a realty office. But pagkaroon ng realty office, pag wala kang system like a digital platform, mahirap ang manual approach lahat. Mahirap yung puro Google Drive lang lahat. Kasi sa marketing, pabilisan. So imagine mang question ngayon, Sam, please give me a project of, sabihin natin, B residences. Okay. Search mo lang, B residences sa keyword in search. Lalabas na ang lahat ng album na may keyword B residences. So, pwede mo na i-copy-paste and then i-email mo sa client mo. Sabihin mo na, by the way, I email already to you all projects about B residences. Mamili ka and then let me know kung anong magustuhan mo and send ka agad. So, ganun kabilis. Instead na copy-paste, etc., instant. And then, matanggap ng client mo yan. Pag-click niya, ayan, click, lalabas yung website mo with all the B Residences album. Magic. Diba? In just seconds or minute, na i-forward mo na sa kliyente mo yung negosyo mo. So, pwede na siyang mamili. So, what you can offer here, download and be marketed by your pwede yung mga for rent, for sell, for assume, for close, mga property. So, as a broker, you have the control. If you want your salespeople only market project selling, okay. Kasi kung ano lang pinasok dito, siya lang lalabas. Pag mali din ang labas. Garbage in, garbage out. Kaya, very important, PKS tayo sa developer. Pag accredited ka na kay Cebulan Master, now, sa dami na 20 plus project ni Cebulan Master, hindi mo naman memorize, hindi ka naman nakapag-PKS outside Cebu. So, yung upload mo, yung mga nasa Cebu lang, you're familiar already. Kasi, the end of the day, pag may benta ang seller mo, you as a broker mag-assess sa kanila. Pag hindi mo alam kasi hindi ka naka-PKS, mahirap din. So, but this one will guide you. Okay? So, hindi ko na lang patagalin para I can entertain questions. If you want to ask questions, let me know. So, again, if you want a demo on this one, please message us. You have my number or message Faye with your name and word demo for Realty Office. Again, demo for Realty Office package. Kasi yung pinag-usapan natin tonight is how to help broker to come up with a system for your realty office.